Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening System Preferences and selecting Dock and Menu Bar. This is where the customization lies. Adjust size first to set real estate constraints, then turn magnification on for hover enlargement so icons pop when you need them. Choose screen position, bottom, left, or right. Pick what suits your workflow. Once done, make sure Auto Hide behaves how you want, because it changes focus when apps are full screen. These initial steps establish the baseline you'll refine next. You'll now tailor appearance and behavior. Start by dragging apps into the dock to add them or out to remove them, quick and tactile. Create folders for related apps or drag a Finder folder to the dock to form a stack, which gives fast access to grouped files. Change the minimize effect to scale or genie depending on your taste, and toggle show recent applications to keep recent tools handy. Once done, test several apps to ensure animations and layout match your workflow and muscle memory. Finish with advanced tweaks. If you want finer control, open Terminal and use defaults right commands for precise magnification size or to remove the auto hide delay. These changes give micro adjustments beyond the GUI. Once done, restart the dock by running kill all dock to apply hidden settings immediately. If icons behave oddly or layouts don't save, log out or reboot. Troubleshooting tip: if the dock becomes unresponsive, kill all dock usually resolves corrupt states without losing most preferences.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.